Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. We've got this delightful Trophy Blue MG TF on offer. It's the 135 model. Trophy Blue I think is probably the best colour for a TF. It certainly shows off the sporty lines. Car's registered in 2004, but you wouldn't believe it by the condition. Bodywork is in really excellent shape for the car's age. One or two minor little dings, but nothing of any consequence. Car sits on a set of reasonably recent Toyo Proxys tyres, which are probably the best current tyre for the car. As I say, the Trophy Blue really does set off the sporty lines of the car, and this example really is quite striking. Alloy wheels are in good condition, no nasty dings in them. Car's fitted with a useful wind stop, which really makes a difference when you're driving with the top down. It's got the smoke and charcoal and Alcantara interior. Decent Pioneer stereo, showing 43,000 miles, which we believe to be genuine. All in all, a very striking car. Great for the summer, but practical enough to use every day. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Garage. Thanks for watching.